Okay, so guys, today we are going to play Brotato. So I am going to play this game for the second time now. First time I recorded the video, but recording crashed. So now I am going to play this again. So let's click on. First of all, let's start the game. So we unlocked some of characters after playing for the first time. So let's select this one. So let's select just the normal character that we got first. So which we are going to use with him. I think this one is better. So let's start this. So we just have to defeat these simple enemies at the start, but game difficulty will gradually increase time to time after we complete some waves. So first time I got defeated at wave number 11, I think 11. So now we have 49 coins. So we can purchase this upgrade using coins. So what we are going to purchase this time is let's see. I think we need the attack speed first. So now we have two shotguns and helmet, ugly tooth. Hitting an enemy removes 10% of their speed, max 30%, minus 3% speed. So we don't need that. So I think this one is better. So let's go. Now we have three weapons, one hand and two shotguns. So this wave is looking much better than before because we have some upgrade this time. So these are just normal enemies at the start. So let's collect all of this with time to time and see what we can do here. So we just have to dodge all of their attacks for that given time. So now I think the given time is just 20 seconds, but it will also increase. So we are going to purchase something here, shoulder plus 1% range damage. I think this one is better because our weapons are just range weapons. So ghost flint damage 9 critical left 2 and I think this is bad. So let's purchase this. Let's purchase this. So now go to wave 3. So we are doing good for the time being, but I don't know what we can do after wave 10 because previously I got defeated at wave number 10 or 11 I think because difficulty increased so much after wave 9 to 10 and this is just danger 0. So there are 5 to 6 difficulties and we are playing at 0 and maximum difficulty is 5, but other difficulties are locked for the timing so I can't play them. So we are just playing at danger 0. So now we have to purchase one of the upgrade. So skull plus engineering, I don't know what that is. Brain plus one elemental damage, we don't have any element. Hands upgrade plus 5 harvesting plus 2. Let's purchase that we no. Let's purchase melee damage. So for melee damage, we already have gun. Peller hat item, gun item. So let's do this and now we are at wave number 4. We have to survive for 35 seconds. So different enemies are start to spawn and you can also see that number of enemies are increasing. So we have to purchase this egg as much as possible to defeat all of these enemies. So for the time being we just have two shotguns, two normal guns and one that this thing I don't know what this is and one hand. So we have to purchase more upgrades after 2 seconds. So let's destroy this tree. So now we have 89 coins. We can purchase. Let's read all this because we need speed. Oh yes, plus 1% tax. And goat skull, ghost captor, item. So we can just purchase item now because we already have 6 weapons. So let's recycle one. I don't think I need this hand. Let's delete this and get another shotgun. So let's start with this. We can purchase any other. Now we have 3 shotguns and I think shotguns are the best weapon for now. because they shoot three bullets at a time and hit more than one enemy, and two, three enemies are defeated at once. So we just have to dodge these enemy attacks and let's destroy these tree for first because we need loot. Now we are at wave number 5. Oh, we got another tree. So that's good, that's good. So there is a fruit, we also need that. So I just thought, oh wow, one more tree. So I don't know why there are so many trees are spawning. So let's go. Mm, let's purchase critical charm this time. Limited for attack have a 25% to that deal 1 multiplied by 3 burning damage. Damage as deal. So let's purchase this item and mm, defective steroids. Plus 2 max HP, but we don't need our. Let's reroll. Silver bullet. Let's purchase silver bullet. Okay, so now we have so much damage that we can just one tap these normal enemies. So for the time being, game is very easy. So more enemies are spawning time to time. We just have to do all of it and dodge all the enemies attacks. Oh wow, we got crate. So crate gave us some more diamonds than normal. So we just have to, and there is another tree. Let's destroy it and get the fruit and. Mm, okay, so now we have completed the wave. Wave 6 has completed. Plus 3 melee damage, but we don't have any melee attack, so we are just going to recycle this and plus 30 range and plus 5% accuracy. Plus 2% life speed. Plus 3 mag 1 and recovered from consumables. Hmm. So let's. Now we have 34 HP. Our level is 8 and 6 weapons, 3 shotguns, 2 normal guns, and 1 that shark king. Don't know what that is. So now there are these snail type enemies are also here. So they just ran through you to defeat you. So we also had to dodge all of these attacks. So I think we are getting damaged very much, very much, very much. So just dodge all of these. So our level also increased. Now our level is 9. I don't know what happened when we increase our level. I think we will be able to purchase a more dangerous weapon with the level. Okay, so we found this item. Plus 5 HP. Let's take this. Now we can do last one. Okay, so we can purchase an additional upgrade when we level up. Nose plus 5 lock plus 5 harvesting plus 3 HP regeneration. So let's purchase this regeneration. Now we have knife, so we don't need that spawn. Oh wow, this one is so good. Plus 2 elemental damage, plus 2 life steal. Okay, so let's purchase it. Now we are at wave number 8 and now these mini bosses are spawning. So these enemies are most dangerous I think because I just have seen them until wave 11. After that I got killed by these big chunk of slimy things. So now we have a turret that help us to defeat these enemies. So we just have to dodge these attacks and defeat them. So now you can see enemies, number of enemies are also increasing with waves. We are at wave number 8 and we have to survive for the more 20 seconds. So there are also range enemies that attack with the red ball king. Okay, so this is pro gamer movement here going and okay, so we barely defeat this and now we have all legendary upgrade. I think T3, Lax 3, I3, Reflexive 3. So let's purchase Reflexive 3. And what is this? Oh my god. Stat plus 1% damage for every 18 enemy you kill during a wave with this weapon. Life steal 4% range. So I think I need this. And now here is a tool. I can purchase this item. I can purchase one item. Okay, let's purchase this. Let's start the wave. Now we are at wave number 9 and we have to survive for 60 seconds. So our character is very strong now. We have so many weapons, so much state upgrades and everything. So I think this character can defeat Goku now, but I'm not sure. So let's see what we can do here. Oh, there is another tree. So if we kill it, so now what we can do? So there are turret that is helping us to defeat these enemies. So we have to get closer to the turret, so it can also attack. So now there are just 5 seconds, 5 seconds more, 5 seconds, 5 seconds left, and I think low. So we beat this round also. So let's take this bag. Oh, I did not even check the state. Plus 3 HP generation, plus 2 engineering, plus 5% damage. So let's purchase damage. I don't think we need damage. Let's purchase HP. Hmm, you need to start wave with minus 50% HP. So I think we can start wave with this 50% plus 3% damage at the end of a wave. So let's also take it. So let's start the wave now. And now we just start the round with just 25 HP. But we can regenerate it easily with plus 1, plus 8 HP regeneration we got. So now we are at wave number 10 and we have to survive for 40 more seconds to complete this. So I don't know at which wave we are going to unlock damage danger 1 difficulty, because previously I got defeated at wave number 12 and I still did not unlock danger 1. So if you guys know when it will unlock, so tell me in the comments. So we are at wave number 10 and HP is decreasing. We just have to survive for more 5 seconds. Okay, so we have completed the wave. So this is it for today's video. So if you want more videos, just subscribe the channel and like the video. So I am new at this gaming stuff, so I don't know how to do commentary properly. So I will try to improve with the time. So let's just end this video here. Subscribe the channel and like the video.